this is Jamie from Shanti Kai, and I'm here for you with a quick tip on working with 3 of our beloved holiday essences. So Garnet Glow, Golden Aura, and Emerald Light. All 3 of these are part of our holiday essences, featured holiday essences, as well as our jet lag kit. So Garnet Glow is frequencies of radiant red, so it's for energy, action, and inspiring motivation and passion. Energies that break through stagnation. So anytime you're feeling restricted or blocked, it's a wonderful essence to work with. Our Emerald Light essence is frequencies of healing green. Green is the color of nature, of rebirth, of healing and growth. And so it's a wonderful essence to work with for helping with rejuvenation. Anytime that you need a little bit of upliftment and emotional balance, this is a really excellent essence to work with. And finally, our Golden Aura. So this is our special blend to use at Christmas. Gifts of frankincense, gold, and myrrh were brought to Bethlehem. And so gold is always something that you think about with Christmas. And likewise, when something is golden, it's divine. This essence is something that you can work with to elevate your energy, your life force, but also your sense of divinity. And all 3 of them are great to work with when you're traveling, when you're stressed, and they make wonderful stocking stuffers as well as gifts to give yourself to keep your vitality up and enhancing your stress defense during this time of year. Thank you very much.